Hey Krishna. Sometimes when I go and attend conferences, in offices, I hear about different management techniques. They give PowerPoint presentations, hours and hours of presentations they give. Saying here is a Six Sigma tool, here is this tool, here is that tool. We have to increase our efficiency. We have to create artificial intelligence, and we have to save the world. We can decrease our hard work and convert it into smart work. So many things I hear in the offices. But sometimes I wonder what happens to these management techniques and these artificial intelligence tools when it comes to our real life, to our natural life. It becomes zero. How many of you are actually thinking of adopting a good management technique to manage your own life, your material life and spiritual life? If you ask somebody, I don't have time. You don't have time for the most important thing. How many of you have created a small farm for yourself? Like you can see tomatoes. There are a lot of tomatoes here. They're all tomato plants, right? You see there are tomatoes. Yeah. See, there are tomatoes. There are so many. Yeah, and there is one tomato in my hand also. So point is, and look at this. Look at this. See, what is this? A papaya, a real papaya, right? And what is this pipe? The pipe that you see here. Do you see this pipe? This pipe supplies. What does it supply? It doesn't supply chemicals. It supplies cow manure and cow urine. Gau Jivamrutam we call it, which literally doesn't do anything to our body. God has given everything. My dear friends, my dear so-called management gurus, busy people running around IT companies or consulting giants or big fours or big threes, whatever it is. My dear sirs, my dear ladies, give some time to yourself to understand how important it is to connect with nature. And for that you adopt all the management techniques. For that you adopt all the artificial intelligence. Please develop some artificial intelligence apps which will actually invoke your real intelligence, that we can start investing on our health also. It's not about being thin or obese or being fit or being good enough to run. It's about having a good healthy heart and healthy consciousness, right? When you grow something, when you grow a plant and it grows, it sprouts, it gives fruits and vegetables, and then you take one and then you start eating it or you start gifting it. Please come and take this. I don't want to sell it. If you yes, sometimes I sell it because I need to maintain the farm, but that's okay. But it gives so much happiness to be part of God's nature, where we are able to thank God for what He has given and lead a life where we are adopting our intelligence in the right places, implementing all the great gyan for the right purposes. Give some time for your spiritual life, number one. For that you do time management. Give some time for your material life, decrease the stress, that is called stress management. And give some time for growing and sharing and eating, celebrating, that is called life management, right? I mean, like, you have to we have to keep your family happy, but engage the family in the right things. Hare Krishna.